Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, it is cold out here. I'm in the car with the heat on, so you probably do hear the heat. I'm not turning it off or turning it down. It's like -3 out here. But it is a little warm in the car, so that's why my jacket is unzipped. But the sun is coming in. My camera is a little bit crooked. I have it sitting up like on the dash. We're just going to keep going. Sometimes that's the morning that I'm having. It's about 9:50 a.m. So let me put my glasses on first. I did get some new glasses, so look, these are green. These are Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade. I also have some prescription sunglasses as well. Fun fact, I am the only one in my family that wears glasses, but I do try to take advantage of like our vision benefits and dental. Like I'm here at the dentist with my daughter. She's getting some procedure done, so I'm in the car, you know, just making the video, trying to pass the time. But yeah, you know, I love Kate Spade, and so I got my new glasses. They kind of matched like the whole Wicked movie. I really do like that movie a lot, Wicked. But I wanted to come on and give you guys an update on our SPLG position, talk a little bit about it, why I love it so much, and yeah, so I love these car videos because it just motivates me just to have conversations. So you don't see a whole lot of charts and screenshots, though I will show you our SPLG position, so stay tuned. But just conversation. You're talking with your sister. We're just really spending some time focused on why investing is so important, right? If you're new to investing, number one, I have a whole beginner investing 101 playlist. It has to be at least 100 videos over there. If you want to know what the stock market is, what an IRA is, excuse me guys, what a retirement account is, taxes on dividends, what's dividend investing, all of those videos are over there. You have to invest some time and watch. So one reason why I love SPLG a lot, and we've been investing in it a little over a year, probably about a year and a half now. The time is just flying, right? Been investing in it for about a year and a half or so, and I have my little paper right here. You'll see screenshots. So we have SPLG in two places. So let me back up a little bit. I like to set up our investment accounts in two ways. We have our retirement accounts, that is for long-term future. So I'm 40 years old, so that's for 59 and a half and onward, okay? Ideally, you cannot touch the money anyway. So like in a 401k, our 401k is for that. Our Roths are for that. HSA is for that. But short-term future, right? If we want to retire early, which we do want to do, we need to have some type of bridge money, some type of money we can access without having to worry about the IRS, or really just robbing our future because we're doing conversions and all of that. So we have our investment accounts, our brokerage accounts, and this is one of those things. But we have SPLG over there. Now SPLG is like exactly like VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It's exactly like the Fidelity's version, which is FXAIX. Charles Schwab has a version. Like there are several versions of ETFs that track the same thing, right? I like SPLG. And shout out to Boss Dog, you know who you are. Thank you so much, bro, for introducing me to this. He was like, in my comments, he was like, hey, check out this particular fund because it tracks the same as VOO and you can get the same returns. You can still get a dividend every quarter and you can build up your share sizes faster. And I love when you guys suggest things to me. I do my research. I went and did my research, looked at the charts and was like, where has SPLG been all my life? Because it's been out for several years. The investment firm behind it, State Street, is just as reputable as Vanguard and Fidelity. And so we just started investing in it, building up our share sizes. And now in Robinhood, we have 125.87 shares. And I love that I can build up my share sizes. So shout out to all of you who have the investment planner. I did create it, and there's a lot of trackers in there for you to document your progress. So you guys know I'm a creature of habit. I do the same thing all the time. I figure if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? Why are you going and messing with it? It works, being consistent, building up your share sizes. So use the books, use the spreadsheets that came with the books. and you're going to see that it works. And so just to see that SPLG is just growing and growing and growing, and the return is just the same as VOO. So side note, so if you're doing our $1 a day investing challenge, I put a poll up, a community poll up. I do this every quarter now, and I have all of you vote, research, and you pick one and you invest small amounts of money, so $1 a day or $10 a week, whatever is comfortable for your budget, and you are consistent. If you stop, if you get discouraged, if you feel like, you know what, investing isn't for me because I don't understand, you won't see the benefits of it. And so that's why I'm on here trying to show you guys, yes, it works. And you can see our return just in that position over in Robinhood. Let me show you our SPLG position over in Interactive Broker. So this is another taxable account for growth specific stocks and funds that also happen to pay out a dividend, which is nice. We do have some new positions we added over here. I will make that in a separate video. I have enough time to do 2 like short car videos, so that'll be the one after this, okay? Where I'll share with you some of the new positions we have. But in Interactive Brokers, we have 348.26 shares there. This will be the second brokerage account that we will access when we do reach our early retirement years. And you want to make sure you have, diversify your income sources for your FIRE, which is financial independence, retire early, financial freedom, sabbatical, whatever years you want to call it. You want to make sure that you are being realistic about your income sources, right? So that's why I don't count a 401k into this, or a Roth, or an HSA, because that's long-term future. But I want to be realistic in terms of, can I get these brokerage accounts to get to a place where we can access these funds, and it could really be useful for us because we still have property taxes, electric, gas, we have kids, so food, and just different expenses like that. But to see that the SPLG position over in Interactive Brokers is also going up, you can see it's on your screen. Our return is really good. It pays a dividend, again, like over in Robinhood, and really just trying to dollar cost average no matter what the stock market is doing. That's key here. We have a new administration. We're in a new year. And again, the stock market long term goes up, and you don't want to miss out on any, of that wealth because we are sitting on the sidelines, okay? So when you add up our shares of SPLG in Interactive Brokers and over in Robinhood, that's 474.13 shares. So my husband and I want to get this to 500 shares total between these 2 accounts. So you're going to see us build this up. This will probably be a focus for February. I will have our February investment plan video. To all of you who have the investment planners, that tracker is in there. So make sure you are doing, you're updating, your trackers as well. You got to use the books. They really do work. They've been helping me for several years now. And so that's the SPLG update. But I wanted to share that I got a little bonus. And I'm appreciative of any extra money, especially in this economic environment. Look, you will never see me turn my nose up. I will pick up quarters off the ground. I found $20 on the ground a few weeks back. I will pick up change because I remember when I didn't have anything. But I got a little bonus, and we were trying to figure out what to do with it. Christmas, was like a month ago. The kids really don't need anything. I do not need any more toys in my house or clothes. I didn't need anything. My husband didn't need anything. We already give off of our regular salary. So I was like, why not just go ahead and get my husband his 100 shares of Nvidia. So the last update I did with you guys, we had about 75 or 76 shares or something like that. So we went ahead and just bought the rest of those shares to get to 100. So you will see it on your screen. We now have our 100 shares of Nvidia, but we're not going to stop. Our new goal now is 150. So you're going to see me document that this year. But look, anytime you get extra money, tax time is coming up. I know a lot of people get their tax refunds, so you want to make sure you're being wise with the money. Even if you don't invest, pay off something. Save something. Maybe get a month ahead on your bills. Pay your rent up or your car note up several months if you can. I know it's going to be tempting to go out and buy stuff, but remember, Christmas was just in December. Do we really need anything, or can we really put that money to work for us? So I wanted just to come on and give you guys an update on how we're doing with our SPLG position, and that we're trying to get to 500 shares. We have 474.13 is growing beautifully. I love that it's a great alternative to VOO. It's cheaper. The value is the same, but it's just cheaper. And sometimes when you can build up your share sizes, it's just motivating to me. It's motivating when I can just get to 10 shares a little bit quicker versus VOO, which is like 550-ish, depending on what the market is doing per share. So guys, let me know down below, what are you buying? Like, what S&P 500 ETF or fund are you in? Are you in VOO? Are you in FXAIX? Are you in SPLG? Like, what are you in? Let me know down below. I love chatting with you guys. Again, if you want to join our dividend group, so our dividend group meets the end of January for 2 hours. You can bring a drink, bring a snack, come hang out with us. And, you know, we're just spending time talking all things about the economy, investing, finance. And we also have a book club, and our book for this quarter is The Intelligent Investor. So try to read the first 4 chapters if you can. The audiobook is available free on YouTube, so you can listen to it. But if you can get the book, it's a really, really good book, and it's really like affordable if you get it off of Amazon. Just, you know, trying to tell you guys, education is so important on this journey. So again, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all already know, I'll see y'all on the next one, and stay warm. Bye-bye.